Today we are going to practice ward off. Shift the weight to the right. Open with the left. Hands float up, lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale and float. Exhale and sink. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Hands float up. One hand holds the bottom of the ball, one hand holds the top of the ball. We're using right hand on top, left hand on the bottom. Turn to the right. The top hand just goes down as we turn back to the front. What is up goes down. And then as we turn back to the side, it floats back, circles back to the top of the ball. Then it continues circling. As we continue turning. Now the bottom hand has to go up. And as we turn to the front, it goes out, warding off, kind of like a block. And then it circles back down and around to the bottom of the ball. One hand up, one hand down. Inhale. Exhale, expanding. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Hold the left hand out. Turn the palm to the ground. It becomes the top part of the ball. Right hand comes in and holds the bottom of the ball. Turn to the left. What is up goes down and back around. What is down goes up and back around. Holding the ball. Warding off. Breathing in. Breathing out. Top hand goes down, bottom hand wards off. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out, turning to the side, holding the ball, turning to the front, warding off. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Leave the hand up. Hold the ball. Carry the ball to the other side. warding off, holding the ball, moving from side to side, warding off to the front, holding the ball, flowing from side to side. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Now follow me silently. Just follow me like I am your reflection in the mirror. Hold the ball, rotate the ball up, palms down, sink down, cool down, arms circle up, and then down the front of the body, circling up the sides, down the front, inhale up, exhale with a sigh of relief. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Relax from head to toe with the exhale. Arms float down. Weight shifts to the right. Bring in the left. Thank you for practicing with me today.